What's up, guys? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 14. Let's take a quick look at before and after photos, and then we'll talk about what materials we used for this bath and shower remodel. Here we go. Alright guys, let's start with the floor. Installed was a 12-inch by 12-inch marble tile. This is a straight pattern, straight layout, 1/16 inch grout lines. It's got a high gloss. Floor turned out great. Here's an all-in-one vanity kit from Lowe's. Some distressed wood look. Top, undermount sink, brushed nickel faucet with a matching Mosaic backsplash. Let's take a look at the shower. Now this is a neo angle shower. We've got a very clean looking mitered curb. Again, we think mitered curbs look so much better than bullnose, quarter round, or any trim edging. So if you can't find a solid surface, a large piece, one-piece curb, it's always a good idea to miter the curb. It gives it a much more cleaner look as opposed to bullnose. The pan tile is a 2-inch by 2-inch white ceramic. Comes in 12-inch by 12-inch sheets. Here's the shower. The walls are a marble. 12-inch by 12-inch sheets of Mosaic marble. Turned out great. High gloss. Very clean looking. Brushed nickel fixtures for the shower head as well as the valve trim kit. We installed a neo angle frameless shower door. The shower doors look amazing. And there you pretty much have it. The customer will be doing painting and drywall work. Our job's done. We did the tile, the shower, the vanity. This job took about 5 working days, 5 to 6 hours per day from demo to completion. Well, there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.